So like I was saying, if if we can take a if we could take a look and see what prior to them on the day of Pentecost and prior to all that happening, they were kind of in despair.
Okay. Brother Paul had frozen. Um, Yet in Acts chapter
Understanding as
2.
to
Okay, go ahead. You have frozen. Start over. Go ahead.
yeah, many of them had misunderstood why Jesus was coming. They were expecting him to come and establish his kingdom upon the earth, and so they were disappointed. They were disappointed. Somebody just came on. They were disappointed. They were going through a time of disappointment. So, which is interesting. But they were going through a time of disappointment, and they needed encouragement. Jesus came back to them, and he after he went to the Father and came to them and shared with them, wait wait for the Holy Spirit to come upon them. But he also told them that they needed to be in one accord because they were disheveled, and so they weren't. Their expectation was of Christ was not what they thought. Once they had an understanding of that, they realized that he was training them to go out and do the work that he of course he had taught them, but their job was to continue the work now that he had gone to heaven. So so they needed power, and he told them to wait upon that power. Part of that, what was important about that, was for them to be in one accord, and we saw that take place in the latter portion of Acts chapter 1.